Alright, so thermostat came in today, so I can put that in. I made sure it worked and everything, so this one's good to go. You can put that on. I went ahead and redid my oil lines. I was going to do this on video, but it took a long time. I ended up, if you can tell, that one's a lot cleaner than the others. I ended up breaking that one, and it's a good thing because I was cussing and throwing stuff, and probably wouldn't have been too good on here, but got that in and got them routed. If you don't know the routing, I wrote it down from the old lines being on there. I know you're not gonna understand that, but this is my years 1, 2, 3, and 4. At least that's what I wrote them down. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Took a while finding the routing. I put the old lines on there, how they fit, because they're pre-bent and everything. I mean, you obviously know that, but like how they were. Let's see, that was line 4, I believe. Yeah, so it went like that, went up just how I have it. It was actually up here, down around that. Then how it was, it fit right to that line. The other ones fit around. So that's the routing. Got them all zip tied in. It's kind of rubbing right there, but once it goes down, it shouldn't rub. So I hope not. I'll do something about that later. So now this bracket will fit there once it's down. I'm not going to put it on quite yet, but that's how that'll go. So that's just the side. Bolt in there. Alright, let's get these thermostats have obviously the O-ring there, so it doesn't actually get a gasket. Let me set this here. Let me go get that. Alright. So, oh, a little closer, a little closer. Need to find the bolts for that. Bolts up here for something. Alright, and now I got, these came with, like I said, new grommets, so I got them in there. Now I'm going to go grab the intake and get that ready to go. Alright, went ahead and got these bolts in. It's tight. Got this put on. This goes in between it. I'm not going to put it on yet because I broke it. So I don't believe much vacuum, or, well, not really air pressure goes through here. So I'm going to try to fix it, but I'm also going to call Mazda and see how much a new one is. But in the meantime, I'm just going to let it sit there. Okay, so to the intake, I got all this stuff put back in. I mean, just a normal rebuild, you're not going to have to take any of this stuff off, even all this, but these were seized. As you can see now, they're moving. See if I can turn it. This wasn't seized, but it moves a little better now. This one was seized, so I took all this apart. Alright, time for the intake gasket. Alright. Really thick sucker. Alright, so I guess it can go on 2 ways, can't it? Actually, I'll have to go on that way because there's the O-ring. It'd be kind of stupid to put it on that way. Well, not the O-ring, but the shape of that, shape of this. This goes there, so yeah, it'll have to go like this. Cool, figure something out. Alrighty. Alright, I'm going to attempt to get that hung up there. It's always good to have bolts ready. My bolts are right over here, so I'm somewhat ready. They are. If I can get this camera to not fall over. Alright, here's my bolts. They have 2 nuts somewhere. Not quite sure where they are right this minute, but just I'm gonna snug these up for now. It's looking like a motor, guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I did have over here somewhere. I had all of them ready. Now I can't find 2 of them. Well then, guess those can go on a little later. I'm not going to tighten it up right now anyways. Just snug this sucker on. Ooh. Yeah, it's going to have to come back off, but it's on for now. And I'll show you why in just a second. Let me get these snug. I guess I'll not hook that one vacuum up. It's gonna have to come off because that's not gonna go in there. Because I still have to clean that part. But you know what? I want it on there for now, so it's on here. Let's tighten these down, which I guess I shouldn't hook this fuel line up, but that is gonna go right here. You see it? Right here to those second injectors. I'm not gonna push it on right now because clearly this has to come back off. But looky there. It's looking like a motor. I still gotta get an oil filter anyways. The filler tube, the intake here, and then the one on top here. Just not gonna put on till I get the motor in. Still gotta put this pulley on, and well, I'll probably wait on this pulley till it's in the motor, but I'll get that put on later. Obviously all the wiring. So that's probably about all I'm gonna get to tonight. I'm gonna figure out what I can put here to keep those from rubbing. Gonna have to fix that. Little progress, little progress. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for the rebuild. I got the exhaust. I'm going to actually take this back off before I put it in the car. But intake's on. Everything on the top is done. That is a rebuild for you. Still got the pulleys put on, but again, that's the actual rebuild. This is just more of assembling the motor, and if you took it apart, I mean, probably can figure out how to put the rest of it back together. So yeah, that's about it. You see everything. So I hope this helps. I don't know if I'm really going to video putting it back in the car, but I might. It's probably going to be a few days before I actually get it back in the car. I got a lot to do. But for now, that's it. And I hope this helps someone. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So please hit that like and subscribe.